isn't it?
Now do you think your head's going to touch that when it actually goes really high up? Or you think it's so low down that it's really high up? No one else on our boat.
Oh yeah?
Aww.
We've actually got a full Zen ride on here, Poseidon to ourselves. That's pretty decent. I like that.
I hope everything on this is working. Alright, is that man gonna work?
Oh, there he is. Hey. There's Crazy Eyes.
Who's Crazy Eyes?
This guy.
Who is it?
Don't know, Crazy Eyes.
This is Crazy Eyes.
Oh.
Oh, gosh. Oh, superb. 4 rows to ourselves.
Yeah. Look at that. Have you got anything to say, Casper?
Woohoo!
Hey, you having fun? Yeah. We've got a full boat to ourselves. Woohoo! Be a lot of fun. Silver Stars is going over the top there.
We're going over the top too. Are we going to go
Right at the same time.
Same time. Yeah!
Woo!
We did it! We did it. No, gotta stop now.
Woo! Oh, that's a bit rough. That was a bit rough. Woo! That was alright.
Yeah! Did it!
Hey. Just a little bit of a sprinkle there. How did you fare, Casper?
Good!
Alright. We're still here chilling on our empty boat. So we've still got the observation tower to do, that's just over there as well. We'll have to do that tomorrow, last day. Here at Europa Park before we head off to Tripsdale and Holiday Park and Fantasyland. Just going to be doing a part of this tour as well. It's a bit rough this, I have to say. I mean, it's a beautiful ride, it looks
Yeah.
great.
Well, it's not as good as it looks.
No. I have to say though, I do think I prefer it to Journey to Atlantis. It has more ride about it, which is good.
What even is Journey to Atlantis?
So Journey to Atlantis, I think it was too small last time we went.
Yeah,
So it's pretty much the same as this, but with a different theme.
What is it?
And it's in SeaWorld in Orlando. So you'll get to go on it next year.
Yes. Wait, I'm not going to put my arms up down there.
You're not putting your arms up?
No.
Oh, give it a go.
I'm gonna be like.
There's nobody.
I'm trying to push the ball now. There's kids had their arms up, have like. This is gonna be a bit scary. Wait, Voltron's there.
Voltron's going round, yeah.
But no, it's not. I think
There's Pegasus over there, so that's what Eden and Robin have gone on. I can see them there in the back row. There they are. They're having a good time. So we'll be coming off at about the same time. Silver Star's going up again at the same time as us. It's a beautiful ride. I do like B&M Hypers. You rarely come across a bad one. Candemonium's probably the worst one. And that's more down to the trim brakes that are halfway through than it being a bad ride.
No.
Smooth, it's comfortable. Something sadly that this one isn't particularly the smoothest of rides. Here we go.
Hey!
Oh, a little sprinkling. That's not too bad.
Hey!
Not too bad. It was alright, that. It's just the roughness. Oh, they're getting us. They're getting us over there. Oh no. Hey, the dolphin didn't quite reach us, thankfully. Oh,
At least there isn't any more dolphins.
I think that's it. And that'll pretty much wrap up our day here on day 2
No!
of Europa Park, I know. So what's been your favourite thing, Cass?
I don't know.
You don't know what your favourite thing's been?
Matterhorn.
Matterhorn. So of course, we've not really talked about that. The Matterhorn with the wonky lift is absolutely crazy, isn't it? The vertical wonky lift as you're going up. A lot of fun. So yeah, that is the end of our ride here on Poseidon. So we've got a long queue to get off. So we'll wrap that up there.